Hi, this is Sophia Nikoloff, and today I'm doing problem 9. So I'm just looking for the relative extrema for f of x, this function here. Okay, so my function is a fraction, so from there I know to use the quotient rule. And I've already separated into f and g and found their derivatives just for the sake of time. Alright, so I'm going to use these and plug it into my quotient rule. So it's just g times f prime minus f times g prime. Alright, and then everything is divided by g squared. Okay, and so next I want to equal that to 0, and it's a little tricky by hand, so I use my solver. And from that, I got my critical number. So my critical number is 0.428. And so just to find if the derivative equals 0 or if it does not exist, I'm going to make a sign chart like I have here. And I'm going to plug my function into y equals and go to my xy chart. And then I plug in a value less than and greater than 0.428, and I chose negative 10 and positive 10. So their outputs are both positive numbers. So from there, I know that x at 0.428 does not exist. So all this means is that it's not a max or a min, it's just a flat point on my graph. Alright, and so for part B, I want to find and classify the absolute extrema on the interval -5 to 1. So here I already have my x and f of x chart. And I'm just going to do the same thing, go to my chart here. And I'm using the same value because I'm still equaling my derivative to 0. So for their outputs, I get 10.516. 1 is 0. This is negative 0.021. So from this, I can conclude this is my absolute maximum, and this is my absolute minimum. So I'm just going to plug them in here. Alright, and that is my problem. Thank you.